Many of you have called our newsroom with concerns about call centers still operating as normal during the pandemic and whether they are following CDC guidelines. Thanks for joining us. I'm Daniel Muddy.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. It's something city leaders looked into today. KTSM 9 News reporter Tatiana Favela explains.
Some city council members say that they want to make sure that all call centers are keeping its employees safe, but those working at some of those facilities have their doubts.
It was very scary, and to know that they weren't going to treat it as seriously as they should be is really concerning to me.
An employee at Maximus Call Center in El Paso remaining anonymous, but sharing concerns about the company to which she says is not following CDC guidelines during the COVID-19 pandemic.
There was really no social distancing, that the area hasn't been cleaned properly, and that although they split us in teams, each team still has about 300 people. And that's not including the people that are going in and out part-time all day.
Maximus sending KTSM a statement that reads in part, quote, Maximus has mandated that CDC criteria for social distancing is strictly followed in all of our operations, and we have significantly increased sanitizing schedules and the amount of resources invested in safeguarding our employees. The company also adding, quote, our employees no longer share workstations in El Paso, which was done to ensure that we safeguard our employees during this pandemic. City officials also discussing the efforts being taken to ensure local call centers are complying to these guidelines.
I really just think it's important that we take this seriously and look at creative and outside the box ways to ensure compliance during this public health emergency.
Those visits are important, and there are surprise visits that are done. They are aware of that.
However, the city manager and Mayor DeMargo say while the city has been aggressive in its efforts, there's only so much they can do.
The citing and the ticketing and sending people in front of a judge and in front of the DA, that's one thing, but we don't prosecute it. We do have that process. So I just want to make sure that that's clear.
We do have the ability that they can lose their permits to operate if it's escalated.
Absolutely.
So that does apply. That's pretty draconian if you lose your opportunity to continue. So it can be escalated.
And City Rep Henry Rivera, who called the item for discussion, requested for city staff to get that specific number of call centers that have been cited, along with creating a more clear policy on these issuances on citations for these types of violations. Tatiana Favela, KTSM 9 News.